Hi guys! In our last video I showed you guys how to put together a really super basic training dummy. In this video I'm just going to add a few things so that if you want to be able to use your training dummy to practice things like chokes, you can play around with the lapels and not have your training dummy fall apart. For this project you're going to need a couple of pillows, a hoodie, a gi top. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and use a zipper jacket or something that you could use that has a collar or lapels. Some sort of belt. I do not have an extra jiu-jitsu belt with me right now, so I'm just going to use a regular belt, and a couple of towels. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our towels. This time we're only going to use two because the arms of the hoodie are a little bit thinner than the arms in the gi. So I'm going to go ahead and take two of these towels, lay them on top of each other, go ahead and roll it up nice and tight. Just like this. Now we're going to take our hoodie and we're going to go ahead and take this inside the body of the hoodie and feed it through each armhole. Now you should have this part of your hoodie. The next thing we're going to do, go ahead and pop this hood up so that you have it out and open. Then we're going to take a pillow and feed it in through the body, over our set of arms, and up into the head slot. Go ahead and just stuff it in there into our hood. You can go ahead and take the drawstrings of your hoodie and tie it up. Now we're going to take our second pillow and stuff this into the lower body. Next, we're going to take our gi jacket and put it on our man. All right, so now we have a man. Wrap this in front, just like before. And we'll go ahead and put our belt on. Just make sure your body's nice and tightly packed in there. And